In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see jobs you applied for on LinkedIn. If you've submitted applications on LinkedIn and want a quick way to review them later, this is a very simple process. LinkedIn keeps track of your activity in a dedicated area, which makes it easier to stay organized during your searches and keep up with the roles you've already applied for. To get started, open LinkedIn and go to your main feed. This is the standard homepage you see after signing in, where posts, updates, ads, and professional content appear. If you're already logged in, you may land here automatically. If not, just sign in first and make sure you're on the LinkedIn homepage before moving on. Once you're on the feed, look toward the top navigation area and click on Jobs. This will take you to LinkedIn's job section, where you can search for positions, view recommendations, and manage your job-related activity. If you're using a smaller screen, the layout may look a little different, but the Jobs option should still be available in the main navigation. After that, find and click on Job Tracker. This section is especially useful because it helps you keep all your job activity in one place. Instead of trying to remember which roles you applied to, saved, or followed up on, the job tracker gives you a more organized view. It's a helpful tool if you're applying to multiple positions and want to monitor everything efficiently. Once you're inside Job Tracker, click on Applied. This will filter your tracked jobs so you can specifically see the ones you've already submitted applications for. From there, you can review your applied roles and use that list to stay on top of your job search progress. This is a great habit to build, especially if you're applying to several jobs over time. Checking the applied section can help you avoid submitting duplicate applications and make it easier to prepare for follow-ups or interviews. It also gives you a clearer picture of where you stand in your application process. And that's it. By going to the LinkedIn feed, opening jobs, selecting Job Tracker, and then choosing Applied, you can quickly find the jobs you've already applied for. It only takes a few clicks, and it's one of the easiest ways to stay organized while using LinkedIn for your job search.